Before starting assembly, make sure you have a hot glue gun and glue sticks prepared. Upon receiving the product, unpack the base, side walls, stand, instruction manual, and light bulbs. Firstly, unfold the base and glue the pre-cut lines with a hot glue gun. Be mindful of applying the right amount of glue to avoid excessive spillage. Glue all of the pre-cut lines on the baseboard. Make sure it's sturdy enough. Next, match the side walls with the corresponding numbers on the base. For the construction theme, the cow theme, and the race car themes, you can tilt the base to see the numbers in the black area. Ensure that all pieces are complete. Insert them into the slots. Flip it over and secure the side walls using the hot glue gun. Apply pressure to allow the glue to solidify. Repeat the above two actions to ensure all side walls and baseboard are securely glued. Don't forget, glue the gaps between side walls. Glue the pre-cut lines on the back stand. Insert them into the base plate. Then put the back stand and the number together. Screw the bulbs and assemble them on the baseboard sequentially referring to the manual. For the unicorn theme marquee number, you need to glue the decorations on the edge. For the dinosaur theme marquee number, you need to fold the cardstock in half as shown. Glue the cardstock to the side walls. Glue the dinosaur eye on the edge. Congratulations! Now you have an adorable light-up number.